Hi there, welcome to my Kartra bonus stack where I'll be breaking down my 12k bonus stack that will show you how to solve the number one problem that all online businesses have. And in a moment, I'll also show you how you can get access to this 12k bonus stack step by step, so be sure to stay to the end. Now, Kartra is an all-in-one marketing platform that allows you to centralize all your marketing tools under one platform, saving you money and time. So be sure to grab a 30-day free trial in the link below. So let's get straight into my 12k Kartra bonus stack. The first part of this bonus stack is going to be the 24-hour ranking system. Now, we all know that the cost of advertising on these online platforms such as Facebook always go up, and it's pretty hard to be a great media buyer, and it's even harder trying to outbid some of these companies or individuals with a way bigger bankroll. So the first part is the 24-hour ranking system. Now, the 24-hour ranking system is a course that's going to show you how to place your products and services on the front page of Google for free using the two biggest search engines in the world, which is YouTube and Google. And best of all, you are not going to need any money to be able to do this. You're going to be able to position yourself right in front of the search terms that your customers are using. And you're going to be able to place your products and services in positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 in under 24 hours using this very system. So the need for big budgets are over. All you have to do is implement the 24-hour ranking system into your affiliate campaigns, into your companies, into your services, into your products, and you will see results. Now, you are going to grab yourself a 30-day free trial of Kartra to implement this. But one of the main concerns is you may be quite busy, and learning everything about Kartra in under 30 days might take a long time. And before you actually even get to create a funnel, your 30 days are gone and you're straight onto the payment plans. The 24-hour ranking system covers this for you. You're going to get access to multiple pre-made funnels that you can just download into your Kartra system and get started straight away with making money and getting sales. Whether you're in e-commerce, an affiliate marketer, a membership site owner, a consultant, a local business, or an agency, you're going to get access to a Kartra funnel, tried and tested, designed to make money straight away. So not only does the 24-hour ranking system solve your traffic issues, it also solves your funnel issues, meaning all you have to do is plug and play and get started driving traffic to your funnels. The next part of this bonus stack is you're going to get access to a 12k bonus license to give away this very bonus stack to your audience, to your membership sites, to your courses, and anyone else you feel that could benefit from literally solving the number one problem that all online businesses have, which is traffic. Next is probably the most exciting part of this whole bonus stack is you're going to get weekly access to my mentor Paul Murphy, who's going to give you coaching on how to really drive traffic to your products and services using this system. Now, in these calls, you can ask him anything you want about your funnels and he will be sure to answer. Paul Murphy is not only a successful super affiliate, he's also a 2-comma award winner, and his consultancy prices are $15,000 and above. So getting access to Paul Murphy on a weekly basis is definitely going to be an advantage to supercharge your business. And last but not least, you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, what is the 4-day Google ranking challenge? The 4-day Google ranking challenge is going to help you get your first listings on the front page of Google and YouTube to help you boost your confidence and take action when it comes to implementing this very system into your own businesses, into your own affiliate campaigns, into your own consultancies. And you'll literally be doing this in the first 24 hours. So this means not only are you going to get the 24-hour ranking system, you are also going to get unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor Paul Murphy. You're going to get access to this bonus license that you can give away to your own audience, and you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge, and that's going to come up to a total value of $12,588, but you will get it 100% free when you decide to go to evanslutu.com/Kartra or use the link below to grab you a 30-day free trial of Kartra. So once again, this solves your traffic problems, meaning you no longer need to depend on paid traffic. Next, you are going to get multiple funnels that you can implement with a push of a button into your Kartra system for free. It's pre-made and and designed to make money. All you have to do is go ahead and customize it to whatever product or service you are promoting. Then you're going to be able to give away a license and you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. But I want to give you a bit more value. So in addition to the 12K bonus stack, you are going to get access to List Prodigy. Now, List Prodigy is going to be an email marketing course that you can literally copy and paste. That's not only going to show you how to make money with email marketing, but it's going to show you how to build a mega list using a secret traffic source that you can get unlimited traffic from, whilst also teaching you how to increase your open rate, all while using AI to help you do this. Now, this has generated him thousands of dollars a day, so all you have to do is copy and paste the system. Now, this was $197, but if you get a free trial of Kartra today, you can get this for free. So that means not only have I solved your traffic problems, I've also solved your funnel problems, because you don't have to build a funnel yourself. From day one, you can just download and implement the funnels straight into your Kartra system. And I've also solved your email marketing problems, because you can build a super list whilst improving your open rates, whilst making a lot of money per day using this technique. But I also want to add a bit more value to sweeten the deal, and I want to give you access to 90 make money online courses. Now, these courses cover everything from affiliate marketing to e-commerce to Amazon FBA to Bitcoin and the blockchain to high ticket sales, LinkedIn, and so much more. And what this is going to do, this is going to help you improve your make money online skills. But for those of you who have membership sites and courses, you can go through these courses, learn and repurpose this information to share with your own audience, providing way more value and getting way more results. So once again, you're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system, unlimited private weekly coaching calls, 12K bonus license to give this very bonus stack away, and access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Then you're going to get access to List Prodigy, that's going to help you boost your email marketing while making money, all while increasing your open rates. And then you're going to get access to 90 make money online courses, which is going to improve your make money online skills, whilst also giving you the ability to repurpose some of this content to share with your own audience. And all you have to do to get this is to go to evanslutu.com/Kartra, or go to the link below, which will take you to this page. And what you will do is you'll put your first name here, your email here, you'll click both of these in order to get access to your bonuses via email. Then you'll be taken to this page where you will start a free trial, fill out all the information, then you'll get access to your dashboard where you could try out Kartra for 30 days. And with the bonus you get, you don't have to wait a whole week or two in order to start having a funnel ready, because you can go straight to the 24-hour ranking system and start downloading the funnels that you need in order to customize them and start making money right away. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, once again, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.